In this video I will tell you 3 ways in which you can do the animations in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. First 2 ways are very simple. So basically what you have to do is that you have to use the motion graphics templates. So motion graphics templates are the templates that you can use in your project. So the templates may be created using After Effects software, or it can be created using Adobe Premiere Pro as well. So there are built-in templates that you can use, or you can also create your own templates as well, or you can purchase those templates. For example, if you go to the Essential Graphics panel in this editing workspace, if you click on this Browse tab, you will notice that there are some templates that you can use, and the templates generally have some animation. So let us use this template and then I'll show you. So just drag it on the timeline and you will notice that this template has got some animation. So as you can see, that's it. That's how you can add the animation. So this is one way in which you can add the animations. Now it depends on the template that you are using. So there are various sites that are selling these kinds of templates which you can import in your Adobe Premiere Pro, and then that's how you can have animations in your Adobe Premiere Pro project. The second method is also very simple. What you have to do is that, let us say you want to animate a certain image. So first of all, I'm gonna drag one image onto this particular timeline and then let us animate that. So to drag the image, I'm gonna go to the media library. Let us say this PNG file is there. I'm gonna drag it over here. So let us try to animate this particular PNG file. And currently there is no animation at all. As you can see, as we take the marker at that starting point of the image, it is just appearing and then disappearing. Now to get some animation on this image, what you have to do is that, very simple way is you can use the effects panel. So where you can find that panel is by going to this particular arrows and then clicking on effects. Make sure that you are in editing workspace, and then you will find this effects panel. Once you are here, what you have to do is that you have to use the transitions on this particular image object. So you can see that there are some video transitions and video effects. So I'm just gonna select video transition, and then in that there will be a lot of transitions, or you can also search for those transitions as well. For example, slide. Okay, and you can notice that these slide transitions are over here. I'm gonna use this slide transition and apply it on the top of this particular object, and also in the end as well I want to use this slide transition. And now if you play this, you can notice that this particular image is moving from the left side of the screen to the position where we have kept this particular image. So you can see this is how it is moving, and also when it is getting invisible at that time as well, there is some kind of animation is happening. So you can try like what kind of animations you like, select transitions, and that way you can animate the objects in Adobe Premiere Pro. And then if you want more control on the animations, there is a third way as well, which is used by most of the professionals, and that is using the keyframes. So let me show you that one as well. So we are going to use the same image and then we will animate that one. So first of all, I'm going to remove this slide effects transitions, and then just select this image, and then you have to go to the effect controls panel, which you will find right here, and then you have to go to the motion effect. So motion effect is by default applied to the images and videos, and over here you can do the animations using the position, scale, rotation properties. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add one keyframe. Let us change the position of this particular image. So to add the keyframe, just click on this clock. So this is the starting position. Take the marker 5 seconds or 3 seconds ahead in the timeline, and then you have to add another keyframe by clicking here, and you can see that there are 2 keyframes at this point of time. And now I want to this second keyframe to have different position. Okay, so just double click on this object and then you can move it. So you will notice that it is showing some arrow which says that this particular object is gonna move from this position to this position. And if you play this, you can see this is how the animation is happening. And but if you want this animation to be happening like from the outside of this particular preview, then what you can do is that you can select the first keyframe and then just drag it like this, and then if you play it now, so look, this is how the animation is gonna happen. And there are several possibilities, like if you want to scale up or scale down this image, you can use this scale property, or if you want to rotate this image, you can do the rotation as well. And you can apply these effects to the videos, images, text. So basically anything can be automated. Thank you for watching.